Welcome back. We are lashing through. Thanks to my beautiful editor, David. Huh?
New Year, same us.
We're flying it. Look at the fucking bug. Look at the bug.
Is this what you call flying it?
It looks like we're flying it. David, do you know what they say? Couple of steps backward, one forward, yeah? Eventually you'll never get anywhere. That's the Beetle.
This thing is going to be like the Great Wall of China, it is.
What?
Forever, fucking mate.
Oh, I thought you were going to say never be finished, hey?
Oh, was that not finished?
I think it is, though. I don't know, I'll go and search it there.
It's more like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
So if someone puts a comment in the comment section, okay, to tell David if the no, don't please.
No, do actually, I'm curious. Like I can check it myself, you know.
Give it. So we're having issues with this flipping flecker, yeah? So, Marco, David, put a picture of Marco's car in there.
I'll put a picture of Marco. I'll crop a picture of Marco driving it as well.
Yeah, do that. Why not? You're good at that.
So. I'm getting there.
Marco's going down to have a look at the engine, right? I don't even want to talk about it, okay? It's getting there, right?
It's basically, Rob is flat out. Rob's been doing the wiring on the yoke.
Yeah.
He's actually in Spain. The fuck?
I said to him, don't you think about leaving this country, this is running.
But he left us.
He left us saying.
He left us saying that the timing might be out, and that's why it's not starting.
So we're going to get Marco to have a look at it, right?
Marco is the super man.
But like, do you know what? Do you know like when you take on some?
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, you know, I was ready to throw the towel in.
Yeah.
Cut me losses down. But then you start finding rust and you get it a little bit down the dumps. Then you go online, you see the amount of parts you can buy. So we have cut out this, so there's 2 floor pans, yeah? Now, so we found a bit of rust here then. And I was like, oh shit, more rust.
Easily fixable as well though.
Easily fixable. But I went and bought a whole new part there. It was like £112 or something.
It's actually mental how much you can buy for them, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a sill. Okay, now that's for the shell. The shell. But do you know what I've done, David? I went and bought one for this side, even though it doesn't need one, to have her mint.
Why not?
This thing's going to live on longer than you. I want this car.
Wouldn't be hard.
I want this car. Of as much shite that we have, okay, and even I have, right? I want this car, right, to be a car that when I'm an old man, yeah, and you're an old man, you be like, you read your little stick on it. Well, we had Sunday, and I said, we're going to Cars and Coffee Dundalk, yeah? This is probably 1965, it will, or no, 2065, yeah?
You should come back at that.
And I was going to get into the bug. And you'll say to me, hey, will you air it up there? I can't get into it when it's aired out.
Yeah, there'll be 2 seats that'll fall out like this to get us into it.
Or else then we'll be broke. We'll have no money and we'll just have a shed full of shite still.
And, you know, we'll have a shell of a Beetle.
It'll be still the same.
Still waiting for Marco to come down the fucking fix of ours.
Right, anyway, that's that. We'll go up and have a great look at well, no, there's not really much happening on the shell of it.
Still kind of the same.
But your little jam there, she's going to the spray booth, yeah?
Yeah.
Over the next few days. So by the time this video's out, your car will be probably painted, but we won't show it.
I don't know if it will be painted because the weather is not great.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, yeah, because we need to get the car from there, okay, out to there, and we have to have bone dry.
Yeah.
And the dampness now affects the paint badly. Yeah, we know what we're doing, I think, don't we?
I think so.
Think so, yeah.
Yeah.
But with your parts are you're going to paint them first.
Yeah, I think I'm going to drop them over. They're ready to go. So.
Right, lovely.
Oh, there's loads of fluke with them and all. Do you ever start something? Like, see the way I cut the vents out of wings and all?
Yeah.
And I was up there working on it. It was like 12 or 1 o'clock the other night. I just think, I should have just fucking left them the way they were. But then now that I'm finished them and they're all primer and prep and all, like it's...
Did you really just say that to me?
Yeah.
Huh? Did you ever start something and regret it?
Yeah, but at least you have lads to do that for you.
No, well, I've done it.
Yeah, you have done a bit yourself now, in fairness.
I have.
It's actually the only car. No, actually you're alright as well, you have.
Yeah,
Maybe you're getting a bit senile in your old age.
Flat out, David. Flat out. Anyway, we'll discuss. Well, let's go up to your shed. Let's look at your parts. Let's see how many runs you have in your primer. And then we might discuss our new project that we teased the other day. Jeez, David, the old van. She's forgotten about it, isn't she? Hey?
She really is.
Huh?
Poor Craig.
Look at me, little bug, huh? Fired into the corner.
So it's just so handy the way you can just put it. You can literally just put it wherever you want it.
Just wheel it around, please. It's great. So, David, primer. Oh, your back one, that doesn't need to be primer, does it?
No, that's the only part of the car that didn't have damage on.
Okay. Right.
Side skirts are ready.
Oh yeah,
Wings
then
ready.
give a look at your wings. Here, you'll have to put a picture before as well. I'm sure you can do it, Dave, yeah?
I'll try.
So you've done that. That was a vent in the middle out there, was it?
Yeah, so the bar used to go in and back out there.
Right, but that's much needed, Dave.
I was going to do something with that because you know the way we already had them. That's the steel wing.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's just like I was nearly committed to like flushing all that down and all, having all that.
Not at all. That's a bit folly, right?
Oh, Jesus.
That's all, Dave. That's 100% of it.
So yeah, that's really that. My bumper wasn't shite. Cracks all over.
She looks good now. What do you think? Do you see the way some colours that if a crack comes into it's very hard to see because the black would have been good for that?
Yeah.
Do you reckon this colour be alright or what?
No, I'd say you'll see everything.
So yeah, fuck it.
Yeah.
So do you reckon you'll ever do a donut in the yard again?
I reckon as soon as I get the thing back on the road, I'm gonna just absolutely light the yard up.
Love it. There you go. You heard it here first. Right.
I'll do a montage now, you know.
Oh, look at that.
Or as Jimmy Oakes now called it, you'll be roll.
Right. Anyway, Dave. Yeah, we're busy. We're flat out this week. Our New Year thing is we're going to try and get more videos up. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're seeming to be getting good feedback on our videos. And we're creeping up. Okay. Yeah? They've got to hear us. I watched the view videos before people. Okay. So back when people started, like people like in the game, like we watch and we look up to. Okay. And I remember them at the beginning trying to get like we do this for the crack. Yeah. That's all we do for the crack. We don't even make money on it because we're barred or something else because we play music, right? But we said that we'll have to try and sort out.
Yeah.
You get to a stage where you don't see your followers grow, your subscribers grow, and then you feel like, oh, is it worth it? But we're creeping up, aren't we?
John, the last couple of weeks now we are starting to creep up, yeah?
Yeah.
And I think, like, what are people interested in? Like, obviously some videos are better than others and all, but then,
Yeah.
like, there's different videos where building cars and all, like, and different types of cars and all, but it's,
Sorry, just a flaw there. One, sorry.
yeah, that's where fucking, there's a few there, we don't mind that. Like, you know what I mean? If we're putting the car together and all, obviously they're better videos than, like, watching us fucking primer and bits and pieces, whatever. But, like, what would people like to see on the channel? Because this is the year that the Darren and Dave show is going to just up and up.
We're going.
Featuring Craig.
Big time. Yeah, featuring. We're going to make it. By the end of this year, we want to have, in our YouTube bank account, we want to have at least €500. We've 300 odd euro now. We get 500 with the help of you people. It'd be great. David, I'll tell you one thing. When I watch YouTube, I don't want to watch people primer bumpers.
No.
I don't watch that. I want people. I watched the Matt Armstrong video there last night.
Yeah.
It's actually, sorry, this morning. He bought a new Porsche GT. He done it in 24 hours. Yeah. That whole video was 40 minutes long, and that was all him getting the car to. Now we didn't get it finished completely, and that was so interesting for me.
Yeah.
Do you know, like, and if there was 10 episodes of that, it's like you kind of get bored halfway through it, and you want to wait till the end one comes out.
Yeah. Then it's like it's hard for us to do things quick as well, though, because obviously this thing, like, this isn't something that you can just.
What do you mean this thing?
This fine piece of German machinery.
It's coming together. You look really well here. Oh, there. Whoa, boom. There you go. Thumbnail done. Anyway,
that's not shite.
That's not shite talk as well, okay?
Basically, like what we're saying is we're asking for your opinions, but really at the end of the day, we're just going to keep on taking the piss out of each other and everything that we're doing.
Exactly, that's how we're going to. So we might even take your advice, but it'd be nice even to get a bit of feedback.
Yeah.
Anyway, over there. Oh, another week, David.
Another week done, and those are
Week one of 2024.
Over and
or is
out.
it 2025?
No, it's 2024.
Is that?
Yeah, I know how to calculate the years now.
David, did we look at. Let's just get cracking at this. Okay, I opened this one already. There's a box of me that I'm going to watch it. Now look at that part. Alright?
I was actually more impressed with the sticker.
Look at the sticker.
Merry Christmas, justcampers.com.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Just Campers. What's in that other little bag that I seen?
Yeah, nuts.
Oh, I put it over here.
Right, more, so.
Oh, they're nuts for the doors. Oh my God! We were meant to dump this box, David.
No, you were meant to dump it.
That's a repair panel for the bottom of the door here, or there, whatever. It's one side, yeah.
No floor pans in it, though.
And they're lost in the post. So this lad here sits on somewhere like that. That's for. Yeah, we showed that. That's for the. What's this now?
This is a book.
Cash now, no?
Save 10%.
Oh. Well, it's a bit late now with all the panels bought.
Oh, I'm sure there's probably going to be more.
What's in this bottom box, Evan? This is the one that I'm kind of concerned about.
Did you cut yourself when you were trying to open the other one?
No, why? Ever packed this little stuff? Well, hopefully, yeah. No, these boys, this is just campers, yeah. To be fair, David, yeah. I got the last bit of gear off them for the camper, right? And I'm raging I didn't get all that stuff off. I got all that stuff over there, yeah, right? And the bent bonnet, yeah, of a different company, right?
That was a mess.
That was a mess. But these lads are just campers, or some operators. Anyone from Just Campers watching, and we don't need any more parts, but you can send us back a refund, it'd be great.
Yeah.
I'm getting excited about this one. This is a big box. I can't even remember. Well, what's that? Oh, that's the rubber. That's the rubber for where the shell sits back down on the chassis. I am actually excited here, David.
Unlike the other trailers, at least these are well packaged.
Yeah.
Oh, this is only one piece.
Oh, the front section.
Oh, that's the daddy.
Oh my god.
So that's actually going to go. There.
Oh, that's some job, isn't it?
Well, to be fair, it's going to be better than what's fucking... What is that?
She's a bit holy. I think we showed it last time. A bit holy there, David, but that isn't that mad? Like the replacement part you can get, like, do you know what I mean?
Maybe just buying a flat pack bug.
Well,
Flat pack buggy.
you can't buy the shell. Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's the repair panel for...
Oh, the back quarter.
Oh, there.
Ah, David, what's going on here?
That actually goes right there.
Is that where it goes?
Yeah, because the bolt is still there.
Oh my god. Jeez, Dave, we're flying it. Is that? Check that box again before we put it in the bin. Oh, Dave, here, before we get started. Hey, I'm just going to walk out the shed. I'm not going to go up to our new project, yeah?
Yeah.
But we have a new beast. We have a new beast. We just look up the yard, okay? This is for another day's work, yeah?
Golf.
Yeah, David's golf. Here we have something very special. We'll say no more.
Say nothing till you hear no
Say
more.
And she's gone off, David, next week. You only have it and she's gone off. She's gone off next week to get decat downpipes, mapped, something with the exhaust, yeah? We are not. I told you, man, I do not want that Jeep back any less than 700 horsepower.
Why, what engine?
We'll say no more.
It's another 30 day.
The 30 day, right? Keep an eye. That's another episode then. We'll be doing a review now. Yeah? I was going to say over Christmas. Christmas is over. But anyway, let's go. Let's get on. Let's go and find out where the rest of our parts are. Because we've no floor pans. And I have an email on my phone here that says, do you want to leave a review about your floor pans?
Yeah, that's important.
That is very important. But yeah, let's get cracking. Let's go.
Find them and we'll go give it out to Chrissy about why my car isn't painted yet.
Oh yes.
Dropped to him yesterday and it's still not painted.
Let's go out for a little sneaky look at it.
Will we?
Yeah, come on.
Right, fuck it.
Right, fuck yeah. Sorry. We're just doing a bit of tough tiling up here, garage gold tilings. And my beautiful assistant is coming up through the shed there with his new wheelbarrow.
I was actually lifting them, but this lazy bastard got the wheelbarrow.
I said let's bring them all up. Anyway, we are putting our tiles down, right? In this area here because it's a lot handier than painting now. I'm waiting 2 days till it dries because of the damp weather. So I was going to say we'll do montages, but no one gives a shite. We'll sleep back in.
A montage, we going to lift the tiles.
Be careful, that's
There's oil there.
that's probably from your car.
It isn't my car.
Right, but David, instead of doing a montage, right? One, how do we do that?
Oh yeah, go on.
1, 2.
Is it finished?
That's finished.
Right, perfect, let's go.
Whoa, Jesus!
Look at that.
How did you do that, David?
I'll probably forget to edit the first part of it.
It's looking pretty cool there.
Get there.
Funny thing is, David, we have had all these tiles just lying around the place.
Just sitting off. Don't go too close down there.
Shut
What you do?
We'll put the cover over that thing. What are you doing? What are you up to? Huh? How close has it come to? We nearly blew the building on that car.
Even the owner of it knows it's just sitting off.
Yeah.
Don't you, Darren?
You wouldn't do us a favour, would you?
No.
You wouldn't grab that little lad and put him up in the corner. You know? Oh, Dave, I'm not even recording.
Hang on.
Oh, anyways.
You fucking idiot. Now, finished.
Lovely. Short a few tiles. I'll give Keith a shout now on. I'll give Keith a shout on Monday. Today's Saturday. This video's going out tomorrow night. And I think we've enough done this video. We have a lot coming.
The next video or two are going to be yours.
Yeah.
So now I don't even know how many people have still even stayed this long to find out. You know, but
Sorry, I was just looking at the back of that car. You can see a little bit of the back of it, sure.
we'll cover that.
David, I think you'll have to check to make sure that's not in it. I should look at it, whatever.
I think some people know what it is anyway.
Yeah. Yeah. So a couple of exciting videos coming up.
Yeah. Next one. There's three. I'm going to say nearly 3 new cars in the channel.
Yeah.
Yours, mine, and Craig's.
Oh yeah.
Even though yours is the only technically new one.
The only one that's running. Eh? So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. The next one's a good one. We do have a lot of stuff. We have plans. We have made plans. We're not just going into these videos willy nilly. Push.
Sounds like a 700 horsepower workhorse.
I think here's something very, very expensive coming.
And we can't end the video yet.
No, hold on.
We have to make it fucking.
To gurgle now. Just we swing her around. Oh, there he is. Look at him. The door to her.
It was big up.
It's the new owner of the old
Scratch card.
Anyway, David, that's the end of the video. Exciting stuff coming. We have plans made.
Yeah, we're starting to get a rhythm going now. Yeah, you know.
Yeah. No, because of me doing the editing of the videos, it's working great.
It's fucking great. It is. It's a gift.
But David, you know what to do.
Anyone that hasn't subscribed but watch the videos, please subscribe and like and share. Comment. Tag your fucking dog. Tag your ma. Tag everyone. Tag anyone you want in the videos.
Don't tag the dogs. Dogs aren't on YouTube.
Oh shit, yeah.
Just tag everyone else, though.
Tag everyone else. All the best. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye, Craig.
Put it off.